Hello, Jodie from JOLI Skincare here, and today I'm looking decidedly bedraggled. I have deliberately gone to bed, if I can find this clip, with wet hair, and I'm completely stuck. Okay, so I have I've gone to bed with wet hair, and you can see that it's quite sort of frizzy and knotty. Now, the reason I've done this is because I wanted to give you a demo today of how to use hairstyling wax as a de-frizzer, a de-tamer, hair tamer. Oh, gosh, I know what I'm trying to say. So this kind of demo would be really good for people like Heidi from Married at First Sight. She's got that sort of really flyaway hair, lots of curls, and you can see when she really concentrates on those curls, puts some nice product in there, the curls look really lovely. And then when she sort of neglects that, looks a little bit dry and bedraggled. Now, I normally have just dead straight hair, lots of shine, so it's hard for me to show you frizz taming. So I've gone to bed like this with this crazy odd hair. Now I'm going to brush it. So I shall switch the video off, brush my hair, get back to you and show you how to defrizz it once you've got all the knots out. So once I've got all the knots out. And there's my cue, phone's ringing. I just wanted to show you that when dealing with dry hair, you always want to use a brush. You should not use a comb on dry hair, and you shouldn't use a brush on wet hair. So when you've got wet hair, this is the one to use, nice wide tooth comb. And the best way to look after your hair to stop split ends is to go from the bottom, a little bit of knots in there, and then slowly work your way up centimetre by centimetre, inch by inch, until you get the whole head done. Anyway, that's my little tip for today. I'll see you later. And I'm back. Now, as you can see, my hair is looking decidedly frizzy. Now, you can see from this top section, that's generally what my hair is like. It's just very straight, shiny sort of dark hair. Now, going to bed with your hair wet, obviously, well, I really don't know why, but it leaves your hair dry and sort of frizzy. I can't explain the physics of that. I'm no physicist, but let us get to it. So this bloop dollop is what the hairstyling wax looks like. It's a soft wax, it's not hard at all, and when you put it in your hand, it's quite malleable. So the better thing to do when you're wanting to tame your frizzy hair is to get chunks of it like that in your hands and then apply to your hair. Now also the beauty of this wax, now I'm just scrunching in here, is that it's moisturising. So if you have dry hair that is frizzy, this is a nice product to put in your hair. It conditions and nourishes as it goes. And you can leave it in so you can have it as a sort of a frizz taming, frizz taming. Gosh, the word's eluding me today. Phrase, sorry. Yep, so put it in the ends there. Moisturise those ends, and now give that a, where's my cloth that's gone, just a quick comb, because now your hair is technically wet. And there you have nice tamed hair. Soft, moisturised, and if I had curls I could just gently scrunch those and get those nice sort of ringlet things going on. So for those of you who are blessed with curls, lucky you. Now, I wanted to add as well that you could go out and just buy yourself any old hair wax, and maybe it might do the job, maybe it might not. But the beauty about JOLI's hairstyling wax is that it is all natural. So you might have read a blog that I've written a little while ago where my husband used a hair wax product and his hair started to fall out. He now has bald patches where that happened. So unfortunately for him, the damage is irreversible. So when you're thinking of hair product, you want to think of the ingredients in it, the chemicals in it. Are they going to damage your hair? Keep in mind that majority of hair products, including shampoos, do contain ingredients that cause hair loss, which is kind of scary, really, that they're putting that in shampoo. Even more scary when you realise that the rate of baldness is going up. Just ask Ashley and Martin. And anyway, so natural hair wax, it's great for a de-frizzing, I still cannot say it, taming the frizz. And if you had a little girl who's hair you wanted to plait before she went to school, this is kind of a good way to get those flyaway bits down so that the plait stays nice and uniform. Anyway, that's my little hair care product tips for today. Thank you very much for watching, and excuse my blah, blah, blah all over the place, and appreciate it. Thank you.